Hello, in this short video we will talk about H.265, also known as HEVC, the evolution of the famous H.264 or MPEG-4 codec. Its principal aim is to reduce the required bandwidth for video transmission of about one-half, while preserving the same perceptual quality of the previous standard. In particular, now we are living in a time of change. 5G technology is about to deploy. The new standard will grant improved speed and latency and support for a larger number of connected devices. 5G clearly is an enabling technology. It will provide necessary performance for example, telemedicine, wireless, VR, and so on. The improved speed can be large but not infinite, so using an efficient video codec is necessary to get the most out of these innovations. Another field that recently recognized as fast growing is IoT. Distributed sensory systems are used for smart cities, Industry 4.0, security, and so on. Take for example the case of video surveillance. Reducing the size of video file can allow to transmit more video streams, which could mean more cameras or more detailed videos. Also, in the video surveillance scenario, it would help decreasing the space required to store the videos, which is a huge advantage. In the field of video broadcasting, we can observe that we are now in a transition phase waiting for new digital terrestrial standard. ASTC has selected HEVC as its core video technology, and while DVB-T2 does not specify it, many countries like Italy, for example, are planning also the shift to HEVC in the future. Then for web streaming services, big companies like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix are using HEVC for their Ultra HD content, a necessary choice because 4K videos can become really too large in MPEG-4. Other players like YouTube, for example, prefer its own codec VP9 or the new AV1 for its streaming. Then there are some issues with the HEVC that are hindering its adoption. The main problem is its complicated patenting status. Many patent holders and some of them have not yet declared their intention about imposing fee, as for example the case of Velos Media Group. Then what is in the future of HEVC? There is surely a contender, because now in 2020 there is the one we first talked about by its use in YouTube. Is AV1, is the product of the Alliance for Open Media, a group counting many big tech companies aiming at developing a royalty-free open source video codec. And on the other end, we have three possible standards developed by ISO and ITU. We have the VVC, Versatile Video Coding, AVC, Essential Video Coding, and LCAVC, Low Complexity Enhancement Video Coding. The first one will be the next iteration of the H26 series and will have similar scope as the AVC. On the other end, LCAVC will aim at improving video quality on less powerful devices, enhancing the performance of already implemented video codec. And that's all, and thanks for having me.